everyone, and in front of me is DOOGEE V30, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, and click on Fingerprint Manager. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or repassword. Let me choose pattern, enter it, tap on next, re-enter it one more time, confirm. And now manage notification content, however you like, however you prefer. Tap on more, agree, and now it's time to enter your fingerprint. To enroll it, just place your fingerprint on the sensor, which is your power button. Keep tapping till it's fully added. You'll be notified on your screen. And that's it. Now click on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.